creating G.I. Joe Star Wars weapons. Increase your arsenal using bottle caps. This is injection mold, so I molded that one in this injection mold right here. And then the rest of these came out of a half mold right here, so it's just like that in there, half mold. And this is the original, but I painted it when I was a little kid. Increase your arsenal.
Now, kind family and friends, let us begin the creation of our first RX-7 Photon Blaster. Y'all ready for this?
We'll see what it looks like. Stay right there.
I thought that we were attacked by somebody.
on the air.